Hi, I'm Casper.
Hi, I'm Warner.
Welcome to Royal Motor Grandia. Let's welcome the brand new unit Honda Odyssey E-Hev 2.0 Absolute 7-seater.
The new Honda Odysseys arrive with a great combination of elegant design and innovative technology.
It is also equipped with an impressive 2-litre hybrid engine that produces 143 horsepower and 315 Nm of torque. The official fuel efficiency stands at 24.4 km per litre from a 55-litre fuel tank capacity, allowing it to find the best balance between power and efficiency.
The Honda Odysseys offer the ultimate in interior comfort and a genuine leather wrapped-in steering wheel. Heated seat system and electric seat. Its semi-rise driving position find a perfect balance between stability from driving a sedan with the easy access of an MPV.
Semi-powered captain seat with ottomans for second-row passengers offer comfort and practicality. It has individual seat controls and charging ports. Rear air conditioning ensure cabin temperature is evenly maintained throughout the cabin of the Odyssey.
One of the few full-size MPVs that can enter most car parks, go anywhere and do anything with the Honda Odyssey's Absolute E-Hev.
Get behind the wheels of your very own Odyssey today.
Last but not least, currently we have Grab promo. 10 years and 100% loan available. Lowest interest rate from 1.68%. Extended free 10 years warranty plus servicing. Free premium car accessories.
With free road tax, free insurance, free installment, loan package from 0 down payment available, highest trade-in guaranteed with 1 bit guaranteed COE without top-up, ready stock with immediate delivery. Any further enquiries, welcome to Royal Motor Grandia, Singapore trusted leading car dealer since 2014. We are always here for you. See you on our next video.
Bye.